Hello children, I am now going to tell you about honesty. To understand better what honesty is, let us observe a story. There was a woodcutter who lived in a small village on a river bank. He used to cut the trees on the river bank every day and sell the wood in the village. On a very hot day, he took his axe and went inside the nearby forest in search of wood. After searching for a long time, he found one good tree near a river inside the forest. While cutting a tree, his axe slipped from his hands and fell inside the river. The river was very deep, so he couldn't get into the water to take his axe out. He sat down on the river bank and started crying. He said, "Dear God, I dropped my axe in the water. It was my only source of livelihood. Please help me. God, please give me back my axe." Suddenly, an angel appeared from inside the river water. She asked why the woodcutter was crying. He told her about how his axe fell inside the water. The angel went inside the water and after some time came out with a golden axe and asked the woodman, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, it's not mine," and refused to accept that golden axe. The angel again went inside the water. This time she came out with a silver axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" Again the woodcutter refused, saying that this is not mine. Again the angel dived into the water. This time she came out with the iron axe. The woodcutter took his axe happily and profusely thanked Angel. The angel was pleased with the honesty of the woodcutter. Then the angel rewarded the gold and the silver axes to that woodcutter. The woodcutter went home happily with all 3 axes. Soon village heard about his good fortune story. One greedy friend of the woodcutter went to the river bank the next day and he threw his axe in the river and started crying. This time also God Angel appeared. Angel asked him why he was crying. He told Angel that he had lost his axe in river. Angel went back to the river and returned with a golden axe. The man took the axe. Angel was upset with his dishonesty and took back the gold axe from him and scared him. He ran back to the village without taking his axe. From the story we can say that be honest. Honesty is always rewarded. Remember that honesty is the most important quality that everyone should have. People with honesty will be respected and valued in the society. So, be honest. Honesty is always rewarded. Being honest with yourself and with others shows how much you really care. It also demonstrates self-respect and respect for others.